Here we go with an easy, quick recipe, a cake so moist that I assure you I devoured this pear chocolate cake. It's a pure delight. Oh, really, try this recipe. You'll see, it's very simple. You start by mixing together a yogurt. You can use fromage blanc. It doesn't matter with the sugar. Then you add the eggs, you mix, and you will sift the flour and baking powder directly into the mixture. It's always important to sift to avoid lumps. You you can do the whole recipe by hand. There is no need for a mixer for this recipe. You add the liquid vanilla extract. It's optional, but it adds a little flavor to the batter. The vegetable oil, when you mix. In fact, the base is a little bit like a yogurt cake base, quite simply. You mix until you really have a nice homogeneous batter. The oil should not come out. And we finish by adding the chocolate chips. The pear chocolate combination drives me crazy. I love it. You pour everything into a 22 centimeter mold. I put all the ingredients and all the utensils I use in the recipe in the description below the video. You will then arrange some canned pears. I slightly drain them before putting them on my batter. Finally, I wipe them a little with some paper towel. There you go. And you bake it. You leave it halfway through, let it sit before removing from the mold, and then just serve yourself a piece. The cake was incredibly soft, I swear to you. Moreover, the pear already adds a certain softness. So overall, it was irresistible. Out of greed, I even added a little melted chocolate on my piece. And it was so good. I'll put all the information below the video.